So hello, how are you doing? Good? Okay, today we have a refresher on how to solve equations that involve fractions. Now, remember, the goal of solving an equation is to get the variable by itself. You want it all by its lonesome on one side of the equal to sign, right? Okay, so if you take a look at this particular equation, on the left side of the equal to sign is the x, but there's another term with it. And you're like, what does it mean to have terms again? Terms are separated by addition or subtraction. So if I take a look at the left side, there's a subtraction sign, and there's an x on one side of it, and there's a 2/3 on the other side. So I have two terms on the left side. But I need x by itself, which means that second term has got to go. With me? Okay, so it's attached by what again? Subtraction. So how do I break subtraction? Addition. So that means I need to add 2/3, not just to the left side, but also to the right side. And you're like, why'd you put it next to it as opposed to below it? It's the same thing. It just depends what you like better. Some people see it this way better because they're dealing with fractions. Are you with me? You have to write it what works best for you, and that's what you have to figure out for yourselves. So let's see what remains on the left. I have x, the minus 2/3 and the plus 2/3 drop out. I have my equal to sign, and now I have two fractions that I'm adding together. Gratefully, the denominators are the same, which means add the numerators, so that's 6/3. Remember, the denominator doesn't change. That denominator of 3 tells me I have 2 pies, or I have a pie with 3 pieces in it. That's what it tells me. And then I've got another pie with 3 pieces in it, and so forth and so on. The denominator of 3 tells me the size and the shape of each piece of pie. So I've got 4 pieces cut into this shape. I have 2 pieces cut into the exact same shape, which means when I add them together, I have 6 pieces cut into this particular shape. Good? Okay. Now remember, what's the unwritten rule of fractions? Yeah, you reduce. Can I? Sure. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Excellent. Well done. Okay, so I've got some examples following that I want you to try, and I'll have an answer key video as well. So once you're done working on these examples, go find my answer key video. Have fun with it. Catch you on the flip side.